Welcome back to the channel. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into some exciting news in the Linux world. It's no secret that Linux Mint has been a favorite among users for years, but now it's hitting new heights. With the release of Cinnamon Desktop 6.4, Linux Mint is set to introduce a sleeker, more polished experience, thanks to the integration of Mutter and a revamped theme. This latest version will power the next release of Linux Mint, expected in December. But that's not all. Linux Mint has reached a major milestone. For the first time ever, it has climbed to the top spot on Distrowatch, dethroning MX Linux after 5 years of dominance. It's a momentous achievement, or is it? While this news might seem monumental, let's take a step back. The Distrowatch ranking, although legendary in the Linux community, isn't exactly a scientific measure of popularity. Over the years, some distributions like PC Linux OS and Manjaro have used tactics to boost their rankings artificially, even though their real-world usage didn't match the hype. The real challenge lies in the nature of Linux itself. With its decentralized distribution channels, it's almost impossible to accurately count active installations or compile a definitive ranking. So what does Distrowatch actually tell us? Well, while it may not reveal the full picture, it does hint at trends. And one thing is clear. Linux Mint's popularity is no myth. Year after year, it continues to attract new users, especially those transitioning to Linux for the first time. Its ease of use, adaptability, and simplicity make it the perfect choice for beginners and seasoned users alike. So, whether you're a Linux Mint fan or just curious about what's making waves in the Linux community, this is your moment to explore why Mint is riding the wave of success. Thanks for watching.